Welcome to Seesaw's Family View. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to understand what families can see and do in Seesaw, explain how families can engage with their students in Seesaw, support parents as they begin using Seesaw. Let's jump in and explore Seesaw from the family perspective. If you need help connecting families, visit How to Invite Parents and Families to Seesaw in the Help Center to learn how. Seesaw's Family View is simple, intuitive, and powerful. When families log in, they land on the home page featuring the student journal. Families are immediately able to engage with completed activities, pictures of hands-on learning, reflections and thinking in their student's own voice, videos of real-time learning, and anything else documented in the student journal. Connected family members only see their own child's posts or posts their child is tagged in. Connected family members cannot complete activities for students or post to the student journal. As families scroll through the journal, they can become an active participant in their child's learning journey by engaging with their child's work. Families can like student work, comment via text, or comment via voice note. These small gestures quickly turn into huge motivators for students, encouraging them to always do their best and share their work with pride. If a note, caption, comment, announcement, or message is written in a language that is different from the language on a family's device, the comment can easily be translated into over 100 languages. Family members can click the Translate with Google button and have the text translated into their device's selected language. This ensures that all members of the learning loop remain connected, included, and supported. For families with more than one connected student, they can use the navigation at the top of the page to access the Journals tab. Journals allows families to seamlessly navigate between their students so they can stay up to date with student work, progress, and what's going on in the classroom. Notifications provides families with a high-level running summary of comments and likes on their students' posts, as well as on updates or edits made to existing posts. Families also have access to Seesaw's Messages. Messages allows family members to stay in the learning loop, receiving announcements and conversations sent by teachers and administrators. Families can easily respond to communications or initiate their own message to teachers and administrators with full access to Seesaw's multimodal tools. To learn more about messages in Seesaw, check out our Engaging with Families tutorial. That brings us to the end of the Seesaw's Family View tutorial. If you have any questions, please watch this tutorial again or visit the Help Center for additional support.